how to buy BNB deflationary smart money token. So this token came under the symbol, as you can see, BDSM. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, please make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their website and their Telegram also. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 5 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 5 in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, open your BTGate wallet for that. But before that, make sure to copy the token address before opening your wallet. I will use the BTGate wallet for example here. I will just log into my wallet first. Now, first of all, make sure to select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, and click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and now find your token that you just added called the BDSM. Now click on it and here click on swap. As you can see, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have an USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see here. Now click on here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BDSM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.